How to treat allergic rhinitis and sinus naturally। अगर आपको allergic rhinitis या sinus issues frequently होते हैं तो फिर बॉडी का natural detox system activate करना जरूरी है। Here are 3 naturopathy treatments that can troubleshoot the root cause. The first is Jal Neti, nasal rinse with saline water. It clears mucus and reduces inflammation. The second is oiling nasal cavities. 2 drops in each nostril daily, and it can heal your sinus lining and prevent congestion. You can use oils like almond oil or desi ghee if you're just starting out. The third is Red Pack's Therapy on Abdomen. This improves circulation and lymphatic drainage, reducing allergy triggers. Make sure avoiding refined sugar and packaged food. ये mucus production को बढ़ाते हैं. If you want to see more naturopathy tips, make sure you're following this page.